The story of Volkswagen, the people's car, begins in 1937 under the shadow of a rising regime in Germany. The Nazi government, led by Adolf Hitler, wanted an affordable car for every German family, something modern, fast, and built for the new autobahns. The task fell to engineer Ferdinand Porsche. His design was simple, round, and air-cooled, what would later become the world-famous Beetle. Production started in 1938 at a new factory in Wolfsburg, Germany. But World War II stopped everything. Instead of building cars for families, the Volkswagen plant produced military vehicles for the German army. By the war's end, the factory was in ruins. In 1945, the British Army took control. Major Ivan Hurst saw potential in the Beetle and restarted production. That year, 1,085 cars were built. It was the beginning of a new era. Throughout the 1950s and 60s, the Beetle, now beloved for its quirky design and reliability, became a symbol of peace and counterculture. By 1972, it had overtaken the Ford Model T as the most produced car in history. But Volkswagen couldn't ride the Beetle forever. In 1974, the company launched the Golf, boxier, more efficient, front-wheel drive. It marked the start of a new chapter. The Golf would become another global icon, selling millions over decades. In the following years, Volkswagen expanded into a global powerhouse. It acquired Audi, Seat, Skoda, and Bentley, and formed close ties with Porsche, both a business and family reunion. Volkswagen's reach now extended across Europe, China, South America, and the US. It became one of the largest automakers in the world, producing cars in over 20 countries. Then came the scandal. In 2015, Volkswagen admitted to installing software in millions of diesel cars to cheat emissions tests. The Dieselgate scandal led to billions in fines, executive resignations, and a major blow to the company's reputation. But Volkswagen responded by going all in on electric mobility. With the ID series, the ID3, ID4, and more, it committed to a carbon-neutral future. Billions were invested in battery factories, EV platforms, and software innovation. Meanwhile, VW reshaped its empire. It launched Traton for trucks, spun off Porsche as a listed company, and sold Bugatti to a new joint venture. Always evolving, always moving. Today, Volkswagen is more than a car maker. It's a global group, balancing heritage with innovation. From a dictator's dream to a mobility giant, its journey is filled with contradiction, resilience, and transformation. Volkswagen Group now owns over 10 brands, sells more than 9 million vehicles a year, and is racing toward a future of electrification and autonomy. It's a company that keeps driving forward. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share.